Okay, starting over against Rufus. With the hand that seems keepable, that's okay. With the Spellbomb as a card draw, he plays first, that's okay, we can keep that, dude, yeah, sure. That seems okay, not mulligan either. Heavy plays no Infect. No, this doesn't seem like the Infect deck. Okay, here's our mana we want to draw for. So we have Solid and Arbalest combo in the hand, this is awesome. Having this combination on your starting hand is just good. Oh, maybe he's playing Infect. With a Thrumming Bird, the blue-black Infect deck, that's possible. But, well, don't fear this dude. Gonna play Arbalest next turn. Eventually equip it to my little mirror. Okay, not playing a land, which is okay. So, gonna get a mirror, gonna get a card. Guess he was sitting next to me for picking 2 Thrumming Birds. But I guess he has 2 if he has 1. At least he should have. Okay, well, now you can stop with the lands. That's okay, now I can play my Soliton, that's fine. Everything good, you know, that's good, that's okay. Proliferate, sure. Not much happening with your Thrumming Bird. Okay, he's on the mana screw. That's fine. Well, let's play our Heavy Arbalest. The turn after the next. The turn after attacking. Then we can equip it to a mirror the next turn, and the turn after that to the Soliton. Or play the Soliton at least, and equip it the turn after that. Not showing him I play blue, but playing an Arbalest, you can think I play blue. So, seems like he's mana screwed. Riddle me this, riddle me that. Who's afraid of the riddle smithing? Well, I'm not able to rhyme there, as you see. Okay. Proliferate! Dude. Guess we just shoot into Soliton's, into Riddle Smith's face there. Before he's able to do anything with the Riddlesmith. Boom. Little mirror with large Arbalest. Always knew the mirrors are strong. To wear such a heavy Arbalest, but well, no wonder he can untap with such a heavy Arbalest wearing, you know. Okay, he played a land, which is good for him, and which I actually don't care about at all. Because we're gonna drop the Soliton in the next turn, or let's not risk too much. Maybe he has a Stokery bottle open. And I don't want him to get away my sweet fine Soliton there. So we start to drop the Gold Mirror. Can't equip it anyway, needs 4 to equip, and drop the Neurok replica there, and wait until he drops something. Maybe you're gonna play Stokery Bottle there to counter our Neurok replica, or Health Order or whatever, but he waited for some time, so I'm not gonna play the Soliton until he used his mana to play anything. Okay, he's green-blue. This seems like an Infect deck. Or not. Actually, it doesn't seem like the Infect deck with Riddlesmith, but what reason is he playing the Thrumming Bird for? Maybe just a flyer? I got no idea. Really got no idea what he's planning. Okay, not playing anything, so not gonna play the Soliton here. Say I'm a bit afraid or whatever, but Arbalest gets re-equipped to maybe Gold Mirror. Whatever. Okay, playing another land here. Re-equipped to NewYearsDraft, I guess, so that's a good thing. And playing the Quarter Shield, and equip that to the NewYearsDraft and attack with a shield. And the mirror, or yeah, let's do it. A 1/7 seems good. 1/7 wearing a heavy Arbalest. Sure. Here we go, dude. Your turn. And whatever he's planning to do, I can react with my heavy Arbalest to that each time. Guess we can just shoot into Throwing Bird's face if he attacks. Because, well, it doesn't seem like he's playing a lot. Oh, now he's wasting some mana. That's good. No fear of counter. Well, Moldebeest. Okay, dealing 2 damage. Here we go. So now we can drop a safe Soliton. Unfortunately, we can't yet re-equip our Arbalest, but that's okay. Having a Stoic Rebuttal open is not bad either. And for sure having a bounce there with the NewYearsDraft. Guess if Moldebeest attacks, we just take it or just bounce it or whatever. Let's see what he plays there. Maybe we can counter something. If you don't like what he's playing. Guess I have to like it, because I don't want to bounce the Moldebeest right now. Because the next turn I just can kill it for free with my Soliton. Copperhorn Scout. Yeah, that's okay. I don't care about that. Well, I can just bounce the Moldebeest and he can't replay it. And we're gonna do this. Bounce, bounce, bounce. So he's got a fine Copperhorn Scout there. But not more. And not able to replay Moldebeest. That's fine. Sure. Here we go. Because I just shoot at the Copperhorn Scout. And untap. And swing in with my... well, my Mirror Staff. And leaving some tapping open here for killing a creature of him or just shooting into his face at the end of his turn. And leaving Stoic Rebuttal open is not bad either. But I don't want to waste the Stoic Rebuttal on this Moldebeest because I just can kill it for free with my Soliton. Okay, draw a card. Do I want to let you draw a card? Well, I guess I don't care if he draws a card. Don't want to waste my stroke rebuttal for that. Haven't yet seen any artifacts from him, but it really seems like he had a bad start. Okay, you're gonna take some damage. And even more. So let's equip the Soliton with the Quarter Shield. See, we can attack for free. Let's drop the Glinthawk Idol. And it seems like we nearly won the first game without our opponent to do much. Having Stoke Rebuttal open with Metalcraft is okay. Having our Arbalest open is okay. I could kill him for free right now. Could I? Yeah, I can kill him for free. Without doing anything, so... well, he's dead anyway. Sure. Don't care about your mold beast. That's just a fine combination with Soliton and, well, Arbalest stuff. And we won the first round. What came there? Well, some more mana. A Shikari. Okay, yeah, good thing. So, you see, he's playing the Molder Beast, so... Seize the initiative could be a fine thing against him. What is not that good against him? Contagion class was always good. He's playing Copperhorn Scout, man. Golem Artisan is doing a lot. Dragon of Thought is a good thing in the end. Haven't yet seen artifacts from him. So we just take out the Revoke Existence and side in the Seize the Initiative. That's a good card against him. Let's do it this way, second game. Okay, I guess he's going first.